Imagine a shop you've driven past hundreds of times. Maybe it's an auto repair garage or a local print shop. Then, one morning, you notice a handwritten piece of paper taped to the glass announcing they are closing. Your immediate reaction is probably a flicker of sadness, assuming a tough economy finally crushed another local business. But the owner isn't failing. That business was actually clearing enough cash every single year that you would need a massive $2.8 million investment portfolio just to match their lifestyle. The true tragedy isn't failure, but the quiet deletion of highly profitable economic engines. These companies are being erased simply because the owners reached retirement age and lacked a successor ready to sustain the operation. We constantly hear about a $70 trillion wealth transfer from retiring generations that is supposed to eventually enrich millennials and Gen Z. This diagram breaks down the actual statistical reality of inheritances. Only 30% of households will ever receive one. If you are in that minority, the median payout is $69,000, and it arrives at the average age of 58. The actionable wealth transfer consists of vacated leadership positions. By 2035, roughly 6 million small and medium-sized businesses will face an ownership transition as baby boomers leave the workforce. Because nobody is stepping up to take them over, 92% of these highly profitable, viable exits end in outright closure. Waiting around for a passive inheritance check is a mathematically losing bet, while a massive supply of active, cash-flowing assets is being destroyed every week. There is a specific government mechanism designed to solve this succession crisis, known as the SBA 7A loan. A typical transitioning local business sells for $350,000, generating $165,000 in annual cash flow. Under SBA 7A rules, the government finances 90%. Your required down payment drops to just $35,000. Often, up to half of that down payment can be structured as a seller note, dropping the upfront cash requirement even lower. This loan structure removes the need for a massive pile of saved cash to acquire a six-figure income stream, allowing a buyer to step directly into a functioning operation. Borrowing $315,000 at 10.5% over 10 years equals $51,000 annually. Subtracting that debt from cash flow leaves $114,000 in profit. Getting that same yield from stocks requires $2.8 million saved. Accumulating millions in principal at a standard savings rate takes a lifetime. Buying the business requires only a signature and the down payment. This specific use of leverage provides a mechanism for a middle-class buyer to acquire a lifetime's worth of savings cash flow in a single transaction. Leverage operates strictly in both directions. This is not a get-rich-quick scenario. This logic flow illustrates the catch. An SBA loan carries a strict personal guarantee. If the business fails, the liability pierces right through the corporate shield. If your working capital runs dry, that stops being a corporate failure and instantly becomes a your house problem. You defend against this by executing two mandatory strategies. You must secure 6 months of operational cash before signing, and you must ensure the business can actually function without the original founder running the floor. Achieving financial independence requires accepting extreme personal liability, forcing you to buy a resilient machine rather than financing a highly stressful job for yourself. Look past the flashy tech startups and crypto trends. The actual mechanics of wealth are operating on your local Main Street. The plumbing for these local businesses is already built. They have active customer lists and paid-off equipment. You just have to cultivate the situational awareness to notice when the operator is ready to step down. Look at this map outlining a 20-mile radius around where you are sitting right now. Ask yourself, what highly profitable local business inside this ring is about to get permanently turned off? Building personal sovereignty means you stop waiting for the system to hand you wealth, and you actively step in to capture the value sitting right inside your own neighborhood.